Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to talk about how the AI agents work. So we are going to talk mostly about the building blocks of AI agent. Let's start to figure out. Let's try to understand how do these AI agents works. Let's try to define what AI agents are. Like we previously had a discussion about AI agents. AI agents are a piece of code with some intelligence. They can do tasks based on their reasoning. So that is what AI agents are. Couple of key characteristics of AI agents are perception, reasoning, action, and learning. So basically, when we say perception, so these agents learn from their sensing and understanding the environment. So where do they get these sensing and understanding of environment? So basically, we as a user, we try to provide some context. For example, saying act as like a teacher and help me solve this problem. So this is something we are helping them to understand the environment. Reasoning, so they do process information and make the decision based on their own. That is something which is done by themselves. Behind the scene there is something called LLM, which act as like a brain of agent. It is capable of processing that information and making certain decision around it. Action, so basically they figure out behind the scene what is that needs to be done in order to achieve a certain task. For example, if you have asked an agent to, can you research article for me on so and so subject, so they'll understand the user request first. They'll see what is that needs to be done. We are asking, can you research the article on so and so topic? So they'll plan out the steps. Step one, like search for this keyword. Step two, go through all the related articles over the internet. And the step 3 could be summarize in a proper form so that it is easy to digest. So those steps are something can be taken without a human intervention. So basically an agent can evolve over the period of time. How? So you can provide an another component which is called memory. That memory can be of two types: short term memory and long term memory. Short term memory is something which it will just spit out the information in the similar format. Couple of principles of AI agents, couple of them are goal oriented. You can tell them these are your objectives, can you meet them? Few are autonomous and adaptive, like we as discussed, they can learn and interact, and they can also do interact with you. We can add, we can ask them to act as a therapist. So the job of the therapist is to what? Counsel the patients. That is the different principle on which AI agents work. And you can also have the hybrid. Basically, it has all sort of these different principle embedded into it. What are the different benefits? Definitely one of the main benefit is automation. It can automate the complex task, like it, and it will help us to free up our resource, which is time, in order to invest in other areas of our job, right? When we say automate complex task, so research is also one of the complex tasks. Say you are doing a competitor analysis. So in order to do a competitor analysis, you'll have to do a lot of things: go through their website, go through their products, go through the reviews, what customers are saying, go through their pricing point, so on and so forth. Efficiency, this is definitely, since these are systems which will help us get a good results which are accurate one. Personalization, so basically this is something, since they do evolve over the period of time, tailor the information which is specific to us. And innovation, definitely the AI agents are helping to drive the innovation across the companies. Let's look at the few components of the AI agents. First is users. Okay, like I said, they need to have some initial knowledge to start with. That is something they gather it from environment, nothing but the users. LLMs, large language model, you must have heard about these language models, right? So ChatGPT is utilizing LLMs. So ChatGPT is a wrapper which is written on top of LLMs. Basically, when you talk with the chat GPT, a request is sent to a LLM in the backend. LLM processes that information and gives back to us. Knowledge base. So, knowledge base is something which is used for finding out the relevant information. So such knowledge bases are can be private or public. Memory engine, like I said earlier, agents can have memories that could be a short term and long term. So that is a short video about what AI agents are and how do they work and what are their building blocks. So stay tuned. I'm coming up with rest of the videos shortly. And thank you so much. Please do like, subscribe, and share with your network. And thank you so much.